If you think you need a ton of followers, a perfect brand, a marketing degree, or anything like that to make money in 2025 online, you're already behind. Literally, the game just changed. And I'm about to show you how regular people using AI to launch their real businesses from their phone with $0, how to do it. Too many people think you need followers, you need money, you need to go viral to start making money online. And I'm here to tell you that's not true anymore. AI is no longer a buzzword. It's literally a tool. And I know a lot of us have been trying to get away from AI and we don't want any parts, we don't want the government to listen, but really, like, whether we like it or not, it's gonna change the game completely because I already know a lot of people following these methods and it's working. I'm following these methods and it's working. And I just know that if you don't jump on this wave, you're gonna be very sorry. If you've got ChatGPT, you can create content. It will literally write content for you. It can generate business plans. It creates images for you. For example, I put in a prompt in ChatGPT and I was like, hey, this is my brand, this is the feel, these are the colors, this is the font, make me a logo that I would like. And literally it did. It was very classy. It didn't seem very pixelated at all, and a lot of people really like it. When I came up with my own logo, I liked it, yeah, for sure, but it takes incredible creativity, and I'm kind of a techie girly. I literally am an executive at a marketing agency, and I'm very, very techie because we are very digital. I did have a career in social media management and social media creation. However, that didn't really work out for me because, like I said, I'm not very creative, so to speak. But I tapped into ChatGPT, and the more information that you give it, the better. But here's what really is changing the game, and that is Google's new product, Gemini. And there is a monthly subscription if you are not a student. If you are a student, you know, you can get this for free. You don't get the pro version for free, but you do get access to some of the features if you have patience and if you want to create for $0, this is the tool for you. Google came out with something called Gemini VO3. There is a lot of apps going out right now. There's a lot of scams going on right now in the App Store. I don't recommend downloading anything unless it's coming straight from Google. Right now, VO3, I shouldn't say SERP because that's kind of like my lingo at work, but a search engine results page is what SERP stands for. And basically, it's all online. There's no app, so if someone's trying to sell you an app for VO3, do not download it, do not give it your data just yet, unless it's literally directly from Google. That's just kind of like word from the wise. But you can create full-on videos, and it literally changes everything. I'll show you right now. It's actually kind of crazy. Don't you think that's literally crazy? All you need to do is type in the prompt. All you need to do is tell it what to do. And the AI is becoming so good that it's almost really impossible to know that it's AI nowadays because A, a lot of people use filters, B, and editing, and C, there isn't a lot of protection on the web world of it telling you if it's AI generated or not. I know Instagram recently, if you put a filter on, it'll tell you, oh, they're wearing a filter, or you do have the option to label things AI generated, but they're not necessarily flagging it. We're not necessarily protected by what is real and what is not real. It is a really scary fact, y'all. It actually is. But the truth is, if you're not gonna do it, someone else will, and that is that. So, I know you're here because you're like, Natalie, you said I don't need followers, you said I don't need money, so what do? You can start a business without followers with these 6 reasons. You can use affiliate links, So TikTok is a good example. They will reach out to you. You put, hey, this is in my shop. You sell things on your TikTok and people, can click it and buy stuff. You don't need followers to do that. And the reason why I'm saying that is because the videos that you post and you have the affiliate links on, they're going to be shown to people regardless if you have followers or not. That's the whole beauty of social media, is gaining traction and gaining visibility when you don't have any. Like, that's what videos are for. And I just want to let you know that Google is the #1 search engine, and then the second one is YouTube. And I have insights that say that Google is pushing 40% video more than ever. Like, Google is really prioritizing video content. And if they are the #1, they're obviously going to set the standards for everyone else, right? So let's follow Google's lead and let's capitalize on the fact that videos matter. And the reason why videos matter too is because they're not going to be shown to your followers even though you don't have any, they're irrelevant because your followers don't engage with you. A lot of the content, likes, comments, shares, are people who are strangers or people who are seeing your content for the first time that can relate. They'll share it to their friend, whatever. Your followers most likely are gonna watch and they're gonna sit back and they're not necessarily going to engage. I have found that I believe it's 10% of your followers are going to engage with you. That's pretty freaking small if you ask me, but just keep that in the back of your mind that the people that you want to be shown to are the people who don't know you. Who cares about the followers? That was #1. #2, you can use digital products. So like chat, like Gemini. There is a lot of apps out there that help you generate content as well. I know Canva does it. I know Adobe does it. I know CapCut does it. You just need an app, okay? Like, you really just need an app. And if you aren't familiar with these types of apps, there are Facebook groups that will tell you how to do these things. And I'm telling you I'm literally watching this unfold in front of my face. I get front row seats to new businesses, to what AI can do. I had a whole coaching from work because sorry, I'm looking at my phone and someone texted me. I had a whole coaching from work because we are Google partners and we learn this stuff firsthand. So, all in all, you can use an app. Third, you can use faceless content. You don't even have to put your face in anything anymore. I am seeing people in these groups and in these meetings, and I'm telling you, and this is something so crazy, they are generating feet pics to sell. It's not even their feet. Is that not crazy? And people are buying them because they don't know they are feet pics, y'all. It's so mind-blowing. And if if you're not excited and you're not passionate about this as I am, then I don't suggest it, because you really need to have patience in all of this. You need, because it's brand new. AI is just now learning. I mean, chat is only about a couple years old, if that, okay? And Gemini is literally a couple months old. Like, you just have to have patience. It's gonna grow, but you need to put your foot in the door right now, because a lot of people don't know about this. You can create a business by generating an image on ChatGPT, and you can upload the logo to something like Etsy, to something like Printify, to something like Shopify, to where you can create a full e-commerce business. And I know for a fact that Shopify offers your first month for $1 to $0. You guys, you don't need money anymore to be successful. The only thing you need is the drive, the passion, and the will. And what you're gonna have to sacrifice is your time for sure, maybe a little bit of your sanity, because AI is annoying sometimes, but there are people out here selling ebooks that they wrote in 2 hours using chat. What are we doing? Why? I just don't know why we're clocking into 9 to 5s anymore, because there are so many tools, so many resources. And if you need help with prompts, you can always contact me, like Natalie. I'm typing it in, it's not generating what I need. Reach out, put it in the comments. How do I start? What do I type in? I will literally tell you how to do it. I'm not a gatekeeper by any means, because I'm so thankful for the people who are teaching me these things. It's all about learning. It's literally all about learning. AI is learning, we're learning how to use it, and we're learning how to make money from the ground up, from zero. I built my brand from scratch. I studied business. I wrote up mock-ups. I read books. I read so many books on how to start a business. I even read this one book, like How to Become a Millionaire. Like, I was so driven, and I was like, how am I gonna start this business? And I was so against AI. And I was like, you know what? Let's shift the thoughts, okay? Who cares at this point? Like, if it fails, it fails. Like, there's nothing to lose. And that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. There's literally nothing to lose in this situation. It's a win-win situation. People are creating full faceless YouTube channels without ever showing their face using VO3. If you don't know what VO3 is by now, we're a little bit behind, but that's why I'm here for you. That's why I have the Millionaire Mind hat, because it's literally a reminder every time you look in the mirror, hey, get your mind right. Let's refocus. I believe everyone needs this in their life. It's like a constant push in the right direction. And when anyone asks you like, hey, I like that hat, is that not the perfect time to talk about yourself or maybe gain a connection? Because if someone likes a Millionaire Mind hat, chances are they're probably on the same wave as you. I say this all the time. You can start before you're ready. You don't have to be ready. And you don't have to have the money. You don't have to have the followers. You don't have to have the education anymore. There is so much going on in AI, and I could go on and on about it. But if you want to learn more, just drop a comment, ask me a question. I'm literally an open book.